Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: your SSS username, password, and that your account can use two-step verification. Once done, install Google Authenticator on your phone so you'll have the token generator ready. Next, log into your SSS account and navigate directly to security or two-step verification. This is where SSS will present the QR code or manual key. Move quickly to this screen. Don't close the app, because the next steps require scanning or copying the secret immediately. Now you link SSS to Google Authenticator by scanning or entering the shared secret. Open the Authenticator app, tap Add, and select Scan Barcode. Point your camera at the SSS QR code. If scanning fails, tap Enter a setup key and type the 1632-character secret exactly as shown. Make sure your phone's clock is set to automatic network time. Time drift causes invalid codes. After adding, Authenticator will display a 6-digit rotating code tied to SSS. Keep SSS. Finish by typing the current 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the SSS verification field and submit. This proves the link works. Once accepted, SSS will typically show backup or recovery codes. Save them in a secure place or store the manual secret offline in a password manager. If the code is rejected, first check your phone's time sync and retry. If issues persist, rescan or re-enter the secret and repeat verification. This final step secures access and prevents lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.